I'd like to give a little recognition to Earl Nightingale. And he's the first one that I heard talking about this idea of writing daily. In fact, Mr. Nightingale said that if you and I would just write our question or our problem down and then spend enough time to write down 20 answers to our question, 20 solutions to our problem, that we could solve almost anything just using the power of our own mind and our own experience. Well, when I first heard about it, I thought, that doesn't sound like it would actually solve anything. If I don't know the answer, I don't know the answer. But you know, Earl Nightingale was right. Very often we've collected a great deal of information over the course of our lives. The problem is being able to bring it back and to bring it out. And just like any muscle, it takes a little while to get started when we begin using it. So the first few times I tried to write, nothing came out. And the idea of getting 20 solutions to a problem just seemed overwhelming. However, with practice, I can testify that it's possible to develop that muscle. Mr. Nightingale said, most of the ideas that you write down won't be any good, but that's okay. It's the process that we want to establish. And so once a person gets into the habit of writing the problem down clearly and then spending enough time disciplining themselves to be able to produce answers to the questions, now creativity begins to flow. So for those of you looking for content creation ideas, here's a good idea. Start writing down everything that crosses your mind, everything that you might want to talk about, every conversation that you might want to have with a friend. Now, most of your ideas won't be worth sharing, and that's where the discouragement might set in. But see, as we exercise this muscle, we're going to get better at producing ideas. And now the fact that we create a lot of bad ideas really isn't a problem anymore. The problem is when we try to take one bad idea and without even testing it, we try to bring it to the marketplace. Far better to have too many ideas and have to cull through them and pick something that we are excited to share.